Hey guys and gals, Ron Ipach here. Thank you very much for watching this really quick video. I wanted to shoot this real quick because I just got back from lunch, a fast food lunch nonetheless, and I had a great experience and I really want to share with you. And hopefully you might be able to get some good ideas to use in your own shop. So here's what happened. I had a hankering today for some Chick-fil-A. Okay, I don't go to fast food restaurants all that often, and I sure don't go to Chick-fil-A very often because every time I go there, I drive by and the line is wrapped around the building twice. And who's got the time to sit in a drive-through lane trying to get their food for lunch? Well, today I did. Okay. My stomach let me know it wanted Chick-fil-A, so I was ready, willing, and able to sit in line. Okay, so this experience that I had, there were three things that really stuck out that I want to share with you. Number one, when everybody else is pissing and moaning about not being able to find any help, they had plenty of it. Now, I don't think they're at the upper end of the scale of what they're paying their employees, but they sure as heck had a lot of employees there. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a great organization. Maybe it's a great hiring system they have. I don't know what it is, but they had plenty of them. Just in the drive-through, again, it wrapped around the building twice. 4 people outside taking orders, plus another person around the other end grabbing orders from the window and taking them to your car. Okay, so they had 5 people just standing outside. Now, looking around, not only was the drive-through very busy, but all the parking spots were filled too. So that lets me know that the inside dining room was pretty darn busy as well. Okay, so you know they had plenty of people on the inside as well working. At least I would imagine they did. And probably the service was every bit as good. Okay, now that brings me to the next thing. Not only did they have help, they had very good help. This help, their employees were very well trained and they had a smile on their face. Okay, it was a very pleasant experience doing business with them. Okay, granted, it's fast food. You don't think a whole lot about it, but look, I was darn impressed. Again, wrapped around the building twice, and these people were busy as heck, and they had a smile on their face. At least I would imagine. You can kind of see it in their eyes. They had their masks on, so it was hard to see, but you can tell that they were really enjoying themselves just with their body language and just the tonality of their voice when they were talking to me and getting my order. And when I drove around the building to get my food, every bit as cheery on the other end. They had great, well-trained employees. Now, remember I said it was wrapped around the building a couple times? That brings me to my third observation. They were very, very efficient. Look, they were very busy, but that entire time, remember, wrapped around the building twice, took me less than 5 minutes to order and get my food. That just literally blew me away. They obviously have systems in place. They have very well-trained employees in order to make sure that the process goes very, very quickly. Now think about that. They were able to find good help in a very difficult market. They also had very good help. In other words, good, cheery people. They're willing to do the work, and they were very efficient getting it all done. That's the 1, 2, 3 punch that you don't see a whole lot lately. So what can you take from this? What can you apply to your auto repair shop to be able to find more help that you need, to be able to train your employees better, and have systems so that the process goes much better? I hope this helps. Have an awesome day. Oh, before we go, as always, please do me a big favor. Click that like button. Let me know that you enjoy watching these videos, and I'll keep making them. Take care, everybody.